Hello and welcome. I'm the mayor, as you can see. It's an honor to have you as our guests. And I'm pleased to hear that you have time in your busy schedule to visit us here at the City Hall today. I hope your short stay in Haslev and Denmark will give you many educational and exciting experiences.
Well, it's very exciting. This is my first exchange program. We have like 5 to 6 every year with different countries, but this is my first one, and I was very excited from the beginning, from like 3 months ago when we got to know about this. So we were all very excited to come here and know about your culture, your people, and the students studying here, the education system, about your country. So it's all just amazing, and I don't know how to describe my feelings in words because I'm excited till now too. I don't feel like I'm here, it's just all like a dream. We are here so that we learn something from your people, because we have a culture that's very diverse and very different from yours. So if we can know a bit about yours and tell you about ours, it is like creating a friendship bond between two countries and their people. So just to make a bit of friends, we are here. We're going to Copenhagen, about which I'm very excited, because Copenhagen is the capital of Denmark, and if Haslev is so beautiful, I don't know what Copenhagen is going to be like, so I'm very excited for that.